If you are stuck in the kit version of the IBH software, go to the help menu, and on the help menu go to the enter license information. Once you've selected the enter license information, you should get a screen that looks like this. And then select the demo version, and you should be back in the demo version. Thanks for watching, and please put in comments in the comment section if there's any comments you have. Thank you.